Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to spawn random objects when pressing the space key. And yeah, do is you want to create some prefabs, a cube and a sphere, and attach a rigid body to them. Then you want to add a plane, reset the position and make this 2.1 and the Z 2.1. Then you want to create a folder called scripts. Then create a C# file in it called spawner. So first what you want to do is delete the start. So now let's create a variable called public game object, and then you want to write something like my object, and over here you want to write int random index, and you'll write this equal to random dot range brackets 0, and you'll say my object dot length colon, and you can write vector 3 random spawn position. You're gonna set that equal to new vector 3 brackets random dot range, and you want to write -10 and 11. Then you want to say 5 and then random dot range, and you want to write -10 to 11. Then you want to write a colon. At the bottom you type instantiate brackets my object random index comma random spawn position comma quantarium dot identity. And you want to end it with a colon at the end. There you go. You want to save the script, and then you want to let's just fix this. There's not meant to be a random dot range there. There's a random dot range. There you go, that should fix it. Alright, now let's go back to Unity. Add the spawner onto the plane. Actually, nah, you have to. So you create an empty called spawner, reset the component, and then you want to attach it to this. And just before we do anything else, we have to create an if function. So every time, let's say, the space key is pressed, this is what we have to add. So if input dot get key down bracket key code dot space, and you want to write 2 curly brackets, copy this code underneath, paste it into the if function, just fix it up a little bit, save it. So every time the space key is pressed, then it should spawn the objects. And so you want to add how many objects we have. So we have 2, the cube and the sphere, so we write 2, then we add them. So go to prefabs, add the cube and the sphere. So every time the space key is pressed, then random object gets spawned, and there we go.